Oh my god, Ronnie.
White J's, white Porsche, white wrist, white horse. Hi bitch, hi bitch, hi bitch, hi bitch. I do not sniff it to roll it.
Nope.
It do not drip when I pull it.
Nope.
I do not run, I reload it.
Hey guys, welcome to my first video ever. And today's look, it looks like this. And because spring is just around the corner and the flowers and the colors, and I wanted to do a lot of color on my face, and this is the first time I actually do color on my face, and it's amazing and I really do like it. And if you like it too, just keep on watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. YouTube, are you ready? I don't think you're ready. I am. You're not. So let's jump to the video.
Stay lost. We are.
Look, I'm gonna be doing today, of course, I'm gonna be doing it with my favorite palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, baby. If you still don't have this, girl, go get you one. Let's get to it. All right. For my transition color, I'm gonna be using this color here, and I'm gonna be using my Morphe M441, and I'm just going to apply it all over the crease.
You should take it slow.
I'm gonna be using this color in the crease. I'm going to be applying it with the Morphe E18. And I just want, you just wanna like dab, 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 dab.
We're reaching for the stars. We're making this to us.
And with my Morphe E22, I'm going to be blending that shit out.
Mysterious. That's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious. That's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take.
We are looking pretty crazy out here, a lot of color. Just what we need, just what we need. I'm gonna be applying this color here all over my eyelid with this brush. This one doesn't have any like name. I honestly, oh, it's an elf one. You can hardly see the name there. You probably, camera probably doesn't catch it, but this one's pretty old and it just has a flat head, sorry, flat head like that. And I'm gonna be applying the eyeshadow with this all over my eyelid with this brush. The pigmentation on this, it is ridiculous. Jaclyn Hill, you're the bomb. We are looking crazy right now. Woo-hoo, crazy. Now I'm gonna go back with this shade, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe E22, and I'm just going to like go over the crease again just to give it a lot of more dimension. And I'm gonna go back with the shade also, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe 441 again. I'm just gonna go back again and just blend a little bit more on top.
We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.
And guess what? because my ass always likes to wear shimmer on my eyelids. We are going to be using this color here, and we are just going to be putting it in the center of your eyelid.
You always show 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take.
This color is so pretty. Girl, come on, let's do this. Okay. And I'm gonna be trying to blend, just make sure that I don't have any like harsh lines in between what I did right now. And I'm gonna be using the Morphe M321, and it's small, but I'm just gonna be using it to blend it a little, just so that you won't see any harsh lines in between. I'm going to be applying my eyelashes off camera. I'll be back. Okay, I am back. All right, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face before I finish my eyes. And for my face, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I've heard so many stuff about this foundation, and honestly, this is the first time that I'm actually using it. So let me see. Did you see that? I put too much. This is like very watery, so girls, it's very watery. I just got foundation all over my pants. I do love it. I like how it blends in your face. Alright. Also, my eyebrows, I did them also before I even started, just because I take so long, and it's not even, I don't know, I feel like it's more of the shaping, because my eyebrows are already thick, and honestly, I don't make them thicker, I just make them a lot darker so they look thicker. Contouring. And when I contour, I use this, oh shit, I almost dropped my Jaclyn Hill palette. No. Alright, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Sculpting Face Brush. It has a flat top like that. And with my Tarte Pro Glow, I'm gonna be using this here, which is called Shade. It's called Shade. Just put, like, dab it. Alright. And you always, well, this is what I do, but I like to put it a little bit more on top of my cheekbones, just to like bring my cheekbones more up. You get it? Do you understand? Do you get what I'm trying to tell you? Because I kind of feel like I don't explain myself good.
We are dreaming in the dark.
We look crazy, so I'm sorry. I also have a little bit of like texture on my face, just because I had a peel not too long ago and I'm putting makeup on it, and I don't think I should, but I'm not going anywhere. This is just for the video, so I'm just gonna take it off after I finish, because you can still feel, I still have like some peeling going on here. It is disgusting. I went to school like that, and OMG, it was so embarrassing. Next, I'm gonna conceal, and what I'm using here, it's the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer. Can the camera pick it up? Do you guys see it? I'm gonna be using the setting powder from Cover X. It's on light. It looks like that. And I'm just gonna be setting under my eyes and under any places where I crease, which is everywhere. I'm old. I'm gonna be using my E36 and it looks something like this. And I'm gonna be applying this shade here, which we used as a transition color, all over my waterline. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna be using this color here. And this one, you really want to try to like put it like very close to your waterline. And to make my eyes like pop a little bit more, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild On Edge Long Wear Eye Pencil in the color white. And the eyes are done. Woo-hoo! Yes, now it's time for me to I'm gonna be using the Tarte Pro Glow again, and I'm gonna be using this shade here to contour my face a little bit more, just to give it a little bit more like definition. You know, my ass been looking like a snake. For my favorite part. Highlight. No, highlight. I'm gonna be using the stunner on this palette. Jaclyn Hill said that if you use this to apply your highlight, it looks a lot better. So let's just do that. Let's just do that. Girl, please. And thank you so much, Jaclyn. You are the best. You just saved me so much time and effort and pain, because this is the way to go, honestly. Now I'm going to be setting all this beautiful thing that I just did with the illuminating setting spray by Cover X. I did too far. Woo. Girl, work it. Because my eyes are so intense and they're so colorful, I'm gonna be using a nude. And my favorite nude right now is the Anastasia Kiss. It looks like that.
Maybe you should take it slow, that's the part you always show.
Alright guys, this is the final look, and if you really did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can watch more videos, and I'll see y'all guys in my next video. Okay, bye! Chittos, tittos, tittos.